Hey guys, it's me again. I am making a very special cake because it's my daughter's birthday and she's asked me for a specific cake. But before I start baking, can I please request you to go and subscribe because that just will help me continue to share my recipes with you, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get a notification every time. Now I won't tell you what will be the finished cake. You'll have to stay tuned and find out for yourself in the end of this video. But we're going to start with some lemon and vanilla flavored sponge. I'm going to get this cake going. We've got all our ingredients laid out. 225 grams of caster sugar, 225 grams of self-raising flour, 225 grams of unsalted softened butter, quarter teaspoon of lemon extract. I'm going to add lovely lemony flavor which we want in the cake, quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of baking powder goes in, 2 tablespoons of whole milk. This just makes the cake quite smooth. Add 4 eggs to this. Whisk it till it's ready. And here it is, beautifully light and fluffy cake mix. So now the mixture is in all the tins. As you can see, it's a very mixed bundle of cake tins today. 7-inch, 6-inch, a 3-inch and a 4-inch, whatever the smallest cake tins I could find at home. I have divided the mix in them and I'm going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. Moving on to the lemon curds. I've got butter, sugar, lemon zest and juice. To this I am going to add the eggs and the yolks. Just takes a few minutes of whisking constantly, and then I'm going to sieve it so I don't get any lumps in the lemon curd and it's nice and smooth. Just covering it with cling film, leave it in the fridge to cool. The cakes have baked, the lemon curds in the fridge, and here I'm making some Italian meringue buttercream. The recipe link will be in the description box, you can check it out. I have melted some sugar, added it to egg whites, whisked it, and now I'm going to add all the softened salted butter just to cut through the sweetness, and then I'm going to whisk it till it's ready. And here it is, Italian meringue buttercream, ready and creamy and shiny, and I'm going to start assembling the cake. Right, I have got everything here. I am going to get the lemon curd and the Italian meringue into the piping bags, ready to get assembling. So I'm going to start with the smaller cake and end with the smaller cake, and all the other cakes can go in the middle. So that can, oh, it's so soft. Here we go. First cake down, put a tiny bit of lemon curd in the middle because a lot of the outside is going to get cut. A little spread, and then a bit of Italian meringue buttercream. Then I'm going to cover it as well so it's a flat surface. So here we go. There we go. Now I am just going to crumb coat it very, very roughly. That looks really good. this is going to go in the fridge overnight and I'm going to work on this tomorrow. It's set really, really well, and I am ready to do some work on it. So I'm going to decorate this, and I've got some leftover Italian meringue buttercream from yesterday. If you know me, you know that I'm not going to give it a perfectly finished look. I'll be very, very honest with you. I have not made this before. So I'm just going to try and make it work, but just on camera. So I'm going to take a little bit of the buttercream and divide it into 3 portions. Because I don't want the perfectly finished look. I want it kind of giving the illusion of what it is, but not like spend hours perfecting it, because I want to cut into the cake and enjoy it in a few hours. So I'm just going to take 3 portions and I'm going to add some food coloring to it. So yellowy mustard in one, a bit of green in one, and a slight brownish orangish in one. Cover it very roughly with this green color. And with just a little bit of the mustardy yellow, I'm going to just mix it up and blend it. Now I've got some green in the piping bag, very little. Pipe diamond shapes out of this basically. There you go. So it's kind of taking shape, and what I'm going to do is start from the bottom and the diamond shape we've made to put some yellow in it. So the greeny browny color that I made, put in a piping bag. My daughter here is sitting next to me and watching her birthday cake come to life.
Yeah.
So we've got our pineapple ready, and look, come on, that looks very, very similar. And here is the head, which is going
Bit back, tiny.
back. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, what I'll do is I will put a couple of toothpicks into, try and put a couple of toothpicks. Maybe one more for luck.
Because like 3 is my lucky number.
Right, so I've got a bit of toothpicks. Right, Sia, you tell me.
That way.
That way?
That way. Stop.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go for it?
Yes.
So now with the toothpicks is going to... High five!
Edible glitter time.
Oh, see, it works. So what do you think? Do you like it?
I love the cake and I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah.
And would recommend it to anyone for their birthday.
Say
Women rule! Well, I'm a woman.
there you go.
Yay! Yeah, it's gonna get ruined anyway. See, give her a break.
Oh, where's the plate? There's no plate.
It's down upstairs. I saw Millie just a second ago when I put some in.